Hello, this is John and my sister Karen, woman, and again, and we're going to cook something different today. It's what my brother who had passed on about 11 years ago made this burger, called it the a kitchen sink burger, mostly because it included almost everything but the kitchen sink, he said. So he calls it the kitchen sink burger. Um, First of all, what we do is use a pound of hamburger, and after you break it apart with your fingers, why not? You want to include one egg to it. One egg, and when that's done, you want your liquid spices, A1 sauce, or any kind of steak sauce you have, and use 1 teaspoon. Yeah. And now, after, now use Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce, however you say it.
Worcestershire.
And again, 1 teaspoon.
Sorry, I forgot it was a new bottle.
I'm sure that's happened before.
Okay, let's try this again.
Okay, now Worcestershire
Now,
sauce,
Worcestershire.
1 teaspoon.
Okay.
And 1 teaspoon of barbecue sauce. Now I know it probably sounds like what in the world are they doing, give me trust me, it's good. Now we want to put
Salt and pepper to taste.
salt and pepper
To taste.
to taste, really. We use
Shwarma.
Use shawarma seasoning.
Yeah, and I just sprinkle a little bit on.
Yeah.
And a little bit of dried onions or onion flakes. There we go. And instead of breadcrumbs, I like to use a little bit of the matzo meal. There we go.
And
now I have to get messy.
Yeah. And that's it for that. Now comes the fun part.
Messy time.
Okay, you roll it into a ball and slap it on the grill.
I don't know about slapping
Well, slap on the grill sounds funnier.
it. It does. I like that.
Well, the grill does its magic. And if you do it right, it should make about 4 decent-sized patties
There's 1 pound of hamburger.
with 1 pound of hamburger.
Okay.
And that's it for now. And got that done. Now let the grill does its magic.
Close it.
Yeah. We
And
close
I'm
the
going to
grill.
close it.
We're
He's
using
the expert on this grill, I'm not.
We're using a George Foreman grill, and it's my pride and joy, thankfully. Uh, Unfortunately, I am disabled, so I can't use it. So that's why my sister's doing her magic. So this is the grill, and it shouldn't take that long. Okay, and
They're looking good.
they're looking good. They are actually.
They're pretty much done, but yeah.
Okay, we've been grilling the burgers here for how long you would say? About 3 minutes.
Yeah, 3, 4 minutes.
3 to 4
Not very
minutes.
long.
So, and just check it every now and then.
And that's pretty much it.
And that's it. And yeah, well. Okay, and now just dish up, plated, and that's how to make the kitchen sink burger. Yeah, that's about it. Just remember, for a non-Jews, just you can add cheese when it's on the grill if you like. And that's how to do it. Wanna thank y'all, and just remember to subscribe and to like and to share amongst your friends. So, in the memory of my brother, that's how to make the kitchen sink burger. Have a good day.